I know you're busy. I promise you though, this will only take a minute. My name is George Andreas, founder of victorypivot.com. Let me ask you, do you need help regaining control of your financial habits? Or maybe you're looking for ways to make more money, but just don't know where to start. Perhaps you're trying to find ways to become a better version of you. If you've answered yes to any of these, you've landed on the right site. Victory Pivot will provide you with weekly articles, valuable ideas and useful tips, easy to read, downloadable how-to eBooks, and online courses that are both practical and flexible. While you're here, have a look around and explore all the content and material we have to offer. I just know you're gonna love it here. Before I go, if you have any topics you'd like for us to cover, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. You'll be notified of our special offers and new trending topics. All right, my minute is up. So until next time, I wish you all the best on your journey to enhance your life.